As head of IT within the team, we look after all of the data processing, all of the IT equipment, whether it's here in the factory or obviously at the track. All of our data comes into the track initially for running during race weekends, but also in the factory we create huge amounts of data that's processed all the time by various different areas of the department, either to help performance at the track or actually to try and work out what we should be doing at the next event or what we could have done better at the previous event. In the factory though, we can generate in the region of 20 terabytes a day depending on what we're doing and which services. With the rule changes that we've had come in, there's a huge amount of learning to be done very, very quickly. New car setup, new car configurations, what is the best thing for us to be doing. All of this is based around data analytics. All the data analytics that gets done here in the factory or at the track is all based on either data we already have from previous years that we have to then turn around and extrapolate with the new rules, new regulations, so that we can turn up and we can actually be as fast as we can from day one, and then we're only looking for that incremental gains during a race weekend. Some of the big advantages since we put the Pure Storage hardware in both track and factory is that our engineers don't have to worry and spend time thinking about what they're going to do. They now consistently can open data so they can make more informed decisions quicker. In particular, the CFD use case is brilliant as a performance differentiator for us. If we can gain 20% by changing how we're using our storage, that's a massive deal for us. CFD is very much a regulated area, so any performance gains we can give back to the business, that's performance to the car at the end of the day. When we started to talk to Pure, we thought we cared about performance. We very, very quickly worked out that performance wasn't something we needed to care about. It was just a byproduct and we would get it. What we worked out very quickly was the simplicity of the product meant that I could go from having a storage admin that was taking days per week to look at storage to minutes per week. And also the Pure One GUI, it gives me a single pane of glass to turn around on my iPhone or an iPad to see what the status of the flash blades are. The experience with Pure Storage as far as support is concerned has been really good. They're very proactive when we've been doing upgrades. They turn around and they'll actually be telling us what the process should be. They'll be looking to make sure that we're not putting something in place that's got any issues or any bugs. If I had to sum up Pure Storage in 3 words, it'd be simplicity, performance and partnership.